morning, you guys. Mag-eyelash tayo today. Right, kasi hindi ko siya pinapasok sa swimming niya kasi meron siyang baradong ilong. Yeah. Yeah, we can play Uno. And it's rainy too. Oh, where did you put it? I don't know who hid it. We'll have asked Tita Vic. Have to ask. Anyway, maglagay na tayo ng lashes natin kasi kagabi ano na ako, may parang contraction na ako. Tinawagan ko na nga yung midwife kagabi. Kasi ano na siya, every 9 to 10 minutes and 1 minute naglalas. So kala ko makanganak ako ngayong umaga. Pero wala, nakatulog naman ako. But hopefully tonight or this weekend.
Later, what is doing?
So nakatulog ako alas 12 na kagabi.
Mommy, who put the stick?
Kasi nag-start siya ng...
Tita
What time we got home? We got home naman early last night kasi lumabas lang kami.
Mommy,
ng
when we
saglit.
open this Uno. Later. When we
Go wait for
play
Tita
it.
Grace and Tita Vic.
Yeah. Okay. Wait lang.
So nakauwi kami parang 7:30 kasi may pasok din si Harley.
Uno. But mommy, how we gotta open the Uno?
Yeah, late sa baby because she broke it na nga eh. Mommy have to put lashes so mommy looks pretty. You know, I have these lashes when I give birth to you too.
Wow.
So I look decent.
Oh, but mommy, I didn't wanna open the Uno now.
Ano nga yun? Ayun, lashes ko nung anak ko kay Riker. Saan talaga yun? Sa nagkakabit. So, ito yung cluster na lang. Sana umabot pa naman siya, no? 3 days naman ito umaabot sa akin. Pero try natin damihan yung glue para umabot ng 1 week.
Oh, mommy.
Wala akong mirror.
Mommy,
Yeah?
you said you have to draw.
Eh?
Mommy, look at the tree I will show you. Look at the back.
Ang galing ni Riker. Alam niya na laro niya ano.
Mommy, look at the back and here. There's a coloring pencil.
Oh, so what's that mean?
That's why.
Next time, you'll have to learn how to play Monopoly naman.
Okay?
We have a Monopoly board game there.
Okay. Everyone, let's play Uno.
Later.
Later, ate is doing assignment pa.
Okay, I will play it myself. And
So, Harley's at school pala, but then pipikapin na siya ni Ben na kasi tumawag yung teacher na suka daw siya. Ewan ko bakit. Sabi ko, minsan ganyan siya kapag
Number.
nagtatry siya mag-burp kasi kanina ginagawa niya nga kaninang umaga. Hindi niya pa alam magdighay na maayos.
let's play Uno.
So, napapa-burp siya. Ala, wala pala tong
Ano yan to?
inner. Ano ba nakalagay dito? Walang inner. Iba yung gamit ko na Emlen diary pa rin naman siya. Pero wala nakasulat na So, I guess makaka-size lang sila. Ano ba to ate? Nag-suka-suka daw. So, sabi na mag-pick up. Sabi ko, galing pa yung sa Glinyog si Ben. Sabi ko, ako na lang gusto mo. Ayaw niya na ako pag-drive.
We can play Uno.
Oh, sabi niya, sinuka is purple and green. So, sabi ko, yung blueberries po yan, tsaka green juice.
Play Uno.
Ito na. Yes, hello.
Yeah, driving home now. So yeah, she vomited about 3 times. She seems fine.
Yeah, she's fine. I told Miss West, she must be the lang. Because Miss West said she wasn't whinging. So, I said she's probably just trying to burp. But that's okay. She can come home.
But yeah, she did vomit like 2-3
Little
times.
ones.
So,
Yeah,
This
yeah,
last
but she's
one.
showing signs of like a runny nose or something.
Is she? Oh my God.
That's what she said, or congestion. I'd say it's probably got starting to get what Riker's got.
Alright, huh? And you too?
That's
Oh my
fine.
God. Baby shouldn't
No,
come out.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good.
I
You might need
got
to-
this.
Me and baby might need to stay with mom. If you guys are
I
homesick.
would love that.
Winter baby kasi si baby, kaya daming sakit. No? He's a winter baba.
Mommy!
Yeah, itong ano na to, wala siyang inner na yung katulad ng malaki ko. May inner, middle, and then outer. Curl C 10 to 14 lang nakalagay. So, uy, ang ganda ng BLK na blush na to. Yung duo brush. Ay, blush. Ikigamit ka rin sila eh.
Mommy, I'm gonna pack this Uno.
Yeah, packet, no?
There are 14 ways in Ghana.
You can walk to the playground nearby.
They're wrong. But when we didn't start playground.
What do you mean inside playground? Where are you gonna ride the
Because
bus?
this way.
Oh, who's gonna drive you there? Tita Grace doesn't drive. Tita Vic doesn't drive.
But what's the car then?
Tita Grace car's in the Philippines, not in Australia.
But the car's not in the Philippines.
Ayan. Yung itsura ng lashes nito, you guys.
Tatapos ko na lang.
3 line nalagay ko. Yeah, ang lakas pa ng ulan kagabi nung tumawag ako sa midwife. So, sabi ko, ikaw na talaga, baby, ang lalabas ng malakas ang ulan.
Mommy,
Ulan.
Mommy, I just found 2 blocks.
Ano? Ikaw na talaga, ay happy naman siya. Batang to.
Harley made this. Look what Harley made.
Daddy, what's Holly made?
Don't try it.
What is it?
It's all glued. You can't take the lid off. You know those sensory things.
Oh, okay.
Very clever.
That was quick.
Mommy, I want to do that in my school. My teacher have that. My teacher have that, Mommy.
Oh, maybe you'll do it next time at school. Oh, nakauwi na ang ate.
Holly.
Nakauwi na ang ate. Ang bilis.
Dad.
Mag-snacking na siya ate. Pakainin mo yung recess niya. Ayan, morning snack tayo guys. I got dates here, pineapple, and then hinabili kong kiwi sa organic shop. Oh, yun. Ang dalawa oh. Nag-snacking na rin. Ayan, exercise tayo guys. We'll do some squats.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day.
You guys, lunchtime na. Spam and egg ang aming lunch. Sure up. Ngayon na kami nag-spam. Ay, dito pala kami sa playground, guys. Naglalaro sila ng pickleball. Nagtry, bumili kami. Pero wala kami sa court, sa grass lang. Grass pickleball. So, hindi siya magbabounce, no? Go, Riker. Si ate nandun sa may playground. Go.
Under.
Under daw. Oh, under.
Ati's not good in under.
Ate's not good under.
She's good in badminton and volleyball, not like this.
Asan?
Pag ganyan, one win na ako, be.
Hindi lang. O, diba, gabi na guys. Hindi ko na-vlog yung aming dinner. Ano yung dinner namin? Chicken curry, tapos sa kids, chicken adobo. Tumutusok yun sa ano ko. Dito. Ang sarap. May natira pa nga kasi 2 kilo. Okay? Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. We're out and about. Where are we going, Raika?
Where are we going, Baba?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, he left the earth.
Yeah.
He left the earth.
Love your top
Yeah.
right. That's
Yung haba na ng buko. Look at my hair, babe. It's long.
Harley.
Madaling
Harley, we're on the road trip. A 1-day road trip though, Harley.
One day, road
Okay.
trip.
Where are we
Checking out.
going?
See you, Harley.
Where are we going?
Where are we going, Raika? Kahapon kasi bahay lang kami all day, so I didn't vlog.
She loves the back. Look at her.
Eh nga, always waiting for labor. My God, hindi pa rin ako
She loves
mag-labor.
the back,
Ano na ako? Mag 39 weeks na ako sa Tuesday. Ano na, baby? Hey?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you.
Ayan. Dito na pala kami sa Florogene, you guys. Dito kami magla-lunch. Well, nakapag-lunch na yung kids kasi in-order na namin ng Subway kanina. So, in-order ako na lang sila ng bowl of chips. So, they're here outside. Ang ganda dito. Ayan, the sun's out. They're playing here. They're saying they're out of mini golf, no baby. I think they already got all of it. We have to wait till they finish, no? We have to wait till the other people finish. We'll wait. You can play with that one for now.
I think these are not getting that. They're getting a little bit more.
I know. They let you hit some balls, though. That's nice. Did you say thank you?
Yes.
Oh, yung mga tao dun, no, pinatira nila si Riker dun sa ano nila, pat-pat. They were nice na baby,
But,
no?
Mommy,
Why did you ask them if you can try? Yeah, Daddy already asked and they said they're out of the stick, so we have to wait for the other people to finish. Okay? Yan si ate. First time nila ate dito. Ang ganda ng view. So, see, you can see the ocean and then you have the hills, the grains. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Takbo-takbo lang si ate. Ito yung picture dito. Nag-order na kami. Happy Hallie. Oh, siya na talagang friendly. Oh, pinapatira siya doon. Ang friendly kasi.
He's teaching.
Kikiburaot siya doon. Batang to. Oh, bait nila. Kaya pangalawang tira niya na yan dyan. Okay. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Salt and pepper squid.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
You guys, today is, what is it today, Raika? The 29th of July. Diba? Buntis pa rin ako, guys. And I'm 39 weeks and 2 days or 1 day? 1 day. 39 weeks and 1 day. And actually, punta kami ng hospital ni Ben. Hindi pa naman ako marami lang akong practice contraction. Pero wala pa talagang, active one. Today kasi, magalaw kasi si baby talaga. Pero today, less yung movement niya. So, tumawag ako sa midwife. Sa hospital. So, sabi ko, much less yung movement niya today. So, pwede nyo bang i-check? So, pwede na lang i-check. So, punta na lang kami. It's already 4:57. 9% lang pa mo ako. But anyway, charge na lang ako sa car. Pero just in case lang, dali ko na rin yung mga gamit ko. So, ito, dala ko to. Meron na yung, dito, yung frozen tubes niya. So, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully. Okay, gumagalaw pa naman siya, but very less. But yeah, it's unusual. Ayan, dito na kami, guys. Check lang nila si Barber. Cheeky boy. Gumagalaw naman na siya. He's moving naman na. But yeah, mukhang papauin din naman tayo yan kung okay na. So, babasahin niya lang yan. Kung all good, pag all good, uwi tayo. Ayan. Nalipat tayo dito sa bed, you guys. Kasi hindi nila ma-check na maayos si baby. So, back to zero. Back to zero tayo, waiting ng 20 minutes. Gutom na ako, mag-alas 7 na. Ito, inopera naman kami ng pagkain, pero ayun, kasi yung pagkain dito. Sandwich. You want the sandwich, babe? Guys, mag-aalas 8 na, nandito pa rin kami. Tapos na naman na i-check yung ko and all good naman yung CTG, but sabi ng midwife, tatanong niya muna yung doctor kung kailangan ko ng ultrasound. And gusto kong itanong kung pwede na ba nilang i-check yung cervix ko kung nag-dilate na ba ako. Para at least alam mo yun, alam kong meron na, nag-labor na ako. Kasi nagtatight naman na yung tummy ko eh. Nagko-contract na siya. Pero dahil yung position ni baby is facing up, like facing sa sky, mas mabagal daw yung labor niyan. Predict niya kapag ganun yung position ni baby kesa dun sa kumbaga yung likod niya nasa likod ko din. Dapat yung mukha niya nandun sa likod ko ba para mas madali mag-progress yung labor. But yeah, hoping naman na umikot pa siya ulit kasi may tendency naman daw iikot naman siya. Well, we'll see. We're still waiting. Ito, gutom na mga person. Tapos na kumain yung mga kids. Baka nasa na ngayon eh. Pa-bedtime na sila. Nandito pa rin kami, guys. May palibre ng sandwich. Gutom na kami. Parang na, 8:30 na, no, babe? Ha? What time is it now? 8:30? Ano?